All right, in my last video, I asked you guys to guess what you thought I'd be making from this and what I got this from. So to start this off, this will be a assembly table that I've been wanting to build for a long time, and I came across this pretty much perfectly sized rack that's roughly 4 foot by 8 foot. So this will be something for me to assemble my projects on, do some of my glue ups, and keep my other tables free. Now, the second part of that is guessing where it came from or what it was used for prior. This was actually part of a 115,000 volt capacitor bank. My day job is doing high volt electrical and substations and our hydro generation facilities. So we demoed out a capacitor bank in one of our substations, and I was able to pick this rack up for pretty cheap, like 12 bucks. So stay tuned for some update videos on this assembly table project that I'm working on.